Hello, welcome back to Maths. In this video, today I'll show you how to solve paper 2-1 of October-November 2022. Before going to the solutions, I would like to say if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe the channel so that you will get more videos like this. Okay, now let's start solving the paper. Now here is the question number 1. It says write down the common multiple of 18 and 24. It's a very simple question for 1 mark. You can write down common multiples of 18 and 24 and then we can choose which is the common multiple. Any common multiple. It's not asking least common multiple. Okay. So if you are writing for 18, we get 18, 36, 54, 72, 90 and so on. Let's write for 24. So we get 24, 48, 72, 96 and so on. Now here easily we can see that we have a common multiple, that is 72. So our answer will be 72. Okay. Now question number 2. A train journey starts at 2340, 2340 and finishes at 650. Work out the time taken for this journey. So starting time is 2340. For this kind of questions, you can split the time. So I will split. See, 2340 means it's night time, 1140, right? If you go to 1140 to 12, that is midnight. So that is 24 or 00. So this gives equal to how many minutes? 20 minutes. Okay. Now 24 means midnight to 650. So it is obvious 12 to 650 is 6 hour 50 minutes. Okay. Now if you add these both 6 hours 50 minutes and 20 minutes. So that becomes 6 hours 70 minutes. But 70 minutes means 1 hour 10 minutes. So answer is 7 hour 10 minutes. Okay. Okay. Now let's take the third question. Write 32 centimeter as a fraction of 2 meter. Here, if you notice, units are different. When you write as a fraction, they should have the same unit. So 32 centimeter by 2 meter can be written as 32 centimeter divided by 200 centimeter, because 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. So 2 meter equal to 200 centimeter. Now if you simplify this, we get 4 by 25. So 4 by 25. This is your final answer. Now question number 4. This question is from ratio and it says divide $200 in the ratio 7:3. So what you need to do? First add 7 and 3. We get 10. Right. So 10 parts is equal to 200. And we have to find 7 parts and 3 parts. So what we can do? 7 by 10 into 200 and that gives us 140. Here will be 140. Okay, now other ratio is 3. So 3 by 10 into 200, and that gives us 60. So here $60. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. Now question number 5. This is question from geometry section. You can see here, if this angle is 50 degree, here this angle also will be 55 degrees. So this also will be 55 degree. And both, why? Because they are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Now, angle at this point you can see AX 71 degree and 55 degree. These angles are on a straight line, so they should add up to 180 degree. So we can write X plus 71 plus 55 is equal to 180. If you solve for X, we get 180 minus 126, and that is equal to 54. X equal to 54. Okay, now question number 6. The price of a computer is $520. This price is reduced by 15% in a sale. Work out the sale price. So we have to reduce the amount by 15%. So 520 into, we have to reduce, so 100 minus 15 divided by 100, and that gives us 520 into 85 by 100. And if you simplify this, we get 442. Your answer is $442. If you have to increase, then we'll do, suppose if it was increased by 15%, then 100 plus 15 divided by 100. Now let's take the 7th question. This is set and Venn diagram question. The Venn diagram shows the elements of the set, universal set E, P and Q. Complete the statement. P means you have to list out the elements of P. Very easy. You can see here which elements are present in circle P. We can see A, B, C and D. Here A, B, C and D. So answer will be A, comma B, comma C and D. Okay. Now N P union Q means when we combine both the sets P and Q, how many total elements are there? So we can count here A, B, C, D, E, F. So A to F, there are 6. So we'll write 6. Number of elements in P union Q equal to 6. Now sequence question. Question number 8. 3, 9, 27, 20, 81 and goes on. So write down the next term in the sequence. So here easily we can observe that each term, to get the next term, we are multiplying by 3. So 81 times 3 gives us 243. So this is your answer. Now part B. 13, 17, 21, 25. If you observe here, we are adding 4 every time to get the next term. So adding 4, so we'll write 4n. Now What will come here? We have to add or subtract. We'll see. Go one step back. So 13 minus 4, that comes 9. 9 is positive. So we'll add here plus 9. If you would have got minus 9, then we'll subtract 9 here after from 4n. So 4n plus 9. That is the answer. Now question number 9. Without using a calculator, work out 1 by 3 plus 5 by 6. You must show all your working and give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. So, this is simple addition of fraction with different denominators. So, to add the fractions with different denominators, first of all, we need to make denominator same. So, we have 1 by 3 plus 5 by 6. Now, one denominator is 3, other denominator is 6. 3 we can easily make 6. We can multiply this by 2. So when you multiply 3 by 2, we need to multiply top number also by 2. And then this comes 2 1 by 2 divided by 6 plus 5 by 6, that is equal to 7 by 6. That is one whole. If you write as a mixed fraction, we get 1 whole 1 by 6. So that is your answer. Question is asking as a mixed number in simplest form. So that the answer 1 whole 1 by 6. Now question number 10. Simplify. So let us simplify then. 18 we can write as a fraction 18 x to the power 18 divided by 9 x to the power 9. Now 9 and 18 can be simplified. So 9 to 18. So 2. So we got 2. We have simplified the number part, numerical part simplified. Now the variable x power 18, x power 9. We are dividing, so power has to be subtracted. So we are going to find the difference of 18 and 9. So 18 minus 9, and that will give us 2x to the power 9. So answer is 2x to the power 9. Okay. Now 11. Solve the simultaneous equation. So what we have here, x minus 3y equal to 7 and 2x minus 3y equal to 11. We can see here y term is having same coefficient, okay, equal coefficient, but so same sign also. So if you are adding, they won't be cancelled out. So what we'll do, we'll do subtraction. So let's subtract. Minus, this becomes plus, this becomes minus. Now minus 3y plus 3y now cancelled out. So x minus 2x, that gives us minus x. And here when you subtract 11 from 7, that gives us minus 4. So x equal to 4. Okay, so x comes 4 here. Now we need to find y. So we'll substitute x equal to 4 in either equation. So I am taking the first one. So x minus 3y equal to, we have 7. X equal to 4. So substitute here 4. 3y is equal to 7. So minus 3y is equal to 7 minus 4. 4 will be shifted to the right side. Minus 3y is equal to minus 3. So y equal to, sorry, 7 minus 4 is plus 3. So it is -1. I made a mistake. 7 minus 4 is 3. So y equal to -1. So y equal to -1. Okay. Now the next question. This is similar triangles question. Similarity topic. Now triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC with PR by AC equal to 2 by 3. So here scale factor given 2 by 3. AB equal to 9 centimeter and the area of triangle ABC is 18 centimeter square. So ABC area is 18. So here write 18 centimeter square. Okay. Now we have to find the length of PQ. As we have the scale factor, so easily we can find, right? So we know that in similar triangles, we can write the ratio of corresponding sides are equal, right? So we have to find PQ. So PQ divided by AB is equal to PR by AC. This implies that what we have PQ, we have to find out. So PQ as it is, this is 9 and that is equal to PR by AC given here 2 by 3. This implies that PQ equal to 2 by 3 into 9 and that gives us 6. So answer is 6 centimeter. Now part B, find the area of triangle PQR. Whenever you have to find area in similar triangle, we need area factor. So scale factor given here, so area factor we can calculate. Area factor is equal to scale factor square. So scale factor square means 2 by 3 square. That will be 4 by 9. So area of PQR. So area of triangle PQR will be given by 4 by 9 into 18 and that gives us 8. So answer is 8 centimeter square. Okay. Next, 13 question number. We have a speed time graph here. Diagram shows the speed time graph of the first 15 seconds of a car journey. Find the acceleration of the car during the first 5 seconds. So we have to tell only for this part, from here to here, this part. Okay. So what is the highest final velocity here? It is 14. Initial velocity is 0. And we know that acceleration equal to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time taken. So 14 minus 0 divided by 5. So that is 14 by 5 and that gives us 2.8. So answer is 2.8 centimeter per second square. Okay. Now part B, find the distance traveled during the 15 seconds. Now we have to find the distance traveled. So in a speed time graph, to find the distance traveled, we need to find the area under the graph. So as you can see here, The shape we have got in the graph is a trapezium. So we'll find area of this trapezium. Let's find, and that gives us the distance. So distance D will be given by, area is given by half A plus B into H. So half A parallel sides, right? Sum of parallel sides. So sum of parallel sides is from here to here 15, and then this side 10. So 15 plus 10 into height. Height is from here to here, that is 14. And if you simplify this, we get 175. 175 meter. Okay. Now, describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. So triangle A into triangle B, you can easily observe here that this base, which was here horizontal, this side, now it became vertical here. You can notice here, right? That means there is rotation involved, and rotation by 90 degree involved, right? So we need to find the center. Easily we can observe this point gives us the angle 90 degree here. This angle will be 90. So how to explain this? We'll write rotation by 90 degree clockwise about the point 5, 3. Center of rotation is 5, 3. For word rotation, 1 mark. For giving angle and clockwise, we are getting the second mark. And for the center of rotation, you will get third mark. Okay. Now, question number 15. The perimeter of a sector, circle with radius 8 centimeter, is 26 centimeter. Calculate the angle of this sector. So if you, let us draw a rough diagram here. Here, suppose this is a sector. Okay, this is the radius 8 centimeters. This is also 8 centimeter. Arc length we don't know. Let us take L. This angle we have to find out. Let's take theta. Okay, and to find the perimeter, what we need to do, perimeter P is given by 8, both the radius plus the arc length of the sector. Now, arc length of the sector will be given by here 8 plus theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. R is 8. So we'll write like this. Now 26 is equal to 16 plus, if you simplify this, we get 2 pi by 45 theta. Now we have to make theta subject. So let us shift 16. So let me write here 2 pi by 45 theta is equal to 26 minus 16, that is equal to 10. So theta is equal to 10 into 45 divided by 2 pi. And if you use the calculator to calculate this, we get 71.619 and so on. So we'll write in what 3SF. So answer will be 71.6 degree. We need to write here unit degree because in the question degree is not given. 71.6 degree. Okay. Next, question number 16. Here we have to find angles U, V, W and X. So first of all, observe finding U. U is here. If you observe this angle and this angle, let me write here. This angle and this angle, they are angle in the same segment on this chord. So angles in the same segment are equal. So U equal to 20. So we will write U equal to 20 degree. Okay. So U equal to, here you write. Now if you see this triangle, we have X here 72 and wait a second. We can now find this angle here. This angle in this triangle. We have 56, 72, the two angles. The third angle can be found by 180 minus 56 plus 72, and that gives us 52 degree. So this is 52 degree. Okay. Now 52 plus 20, this is 72. Now take this bigger triangle where x is the vertex angle. So x plus 72 plus 72 equal to 180. To find x, what we can do? X equal to 180 minus 72 plus 72, and that gives us 36 degree. So x equal to 36 degree. Now if you observe this 52 degree and V, they are angle in the same segment. So V equal to 52 degree. So we will write here V equal to 52 degree. Okay. I wrote W. So X is 36 degree. So let me write in. Now W left. So to write the value of W, easily you can see here this is part of a cyclic quadrilateral, and opposite angle is 72 degree. So as we know that sum of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. So W equal to 180 minus 72, that is 108 degree. So here it comes 108 degree. Okay. Now let us simplify question number 17. 3125. So here for these kind of questions, what you need to do, we distribute the power to the numerical part or coefficient part and the variable part. We will write separately. So 3125 to the power 1 by 5 into x to the power 3125, and overall power is 1 by 5. Now the numerical part easily you can put in the calculator, and if you are checking with your calculator, it gives us 5 into x. Now here power of power, so we apply the power rule, and in that case we need to multiply the powers. So 3125 into 1 by 5 gives us 625. So 625. Our answer will be 5 x to the power 625, and that is final answer. Now question number 18. Here we have to use sine rule, but we need pair. Given side is 7 centimeter, opposite angle not given, but two angles are given here. Third angle we can easily find. This angle will be 180 minus 115 plus 35, that is 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree. So this angle we got 30 degree. So let us make pair of angle and side. Same way we can make pair here. This side BC we have to find out. So we'll write, apply the sine rule now. BC by sine 115 is equal to 7 by sine of 30. So this implies that we can make BC subject. So BC equal to 7 into sine 115 and divide by sine 30. We put in the calculator as it is, and calculator gives us 12.688 and so on. So we'll write in 3SF, that is 12.7 centimeter. Okay. Now we have algebra question. It says expand and simplify. So easily you can see here we have power 2, that means we can repeat x minus 2 into x minus 2. So 2x plus 3 into x minus 2 into x minus 2. So if you multiply last two brackets, we get a quadratic, and that is given by x square minus 4x plus 4. Now what we can do, we'll multiply these two brackets. So first term 2x, so 2x will be distributed over the bracket x square minus 4x plus 4, now plus 3 into x square minus 4x plus 4. Okay, now let us multiply out this. We get 2x cube, 2x into x square, 2x cube, 2x into minus 4x minus 8x square plus 8x plus 3 into x square. So plus 3x square minus 12x plus 12. 3 4 ja 12, so plus 12, right? Now if you simplify this combining like terms, we get 2x cube minus 5x square. Why minus 5x square? Minus 8x square plus 3x square. That gives us minus 5x square. 8x minus 12x, so minus 4x. And plus 12 is constant, so plus 12 as it is. And that is your answer. Now factorize completely. We have 4 terms here, so what we will do? Make pairs of first 2 terms, last 2 terms. So first 2 terms, nothing is common, that means 1 is the highest common factor, so 1 into 1 plus x. Now in the last 2 terms we have minus y common factor, that gives us 1 plus x in the bracket. That means we got 1 plus x into 1 minus y. Answer is 1 plus x into 1 minus y. Now 2x cube minus 18xy square. So first of all, let us check the number part. 2 and 18. What is the common factor? 2. Highest common factor of numerical part is 2. So let us take 2 out. Now x cube and x. So x can be taken common. Then in the bracket we get x square minus 2 9 18, so 9y square. Okay. Now you can see here x square minus 9y square, that is in the form a square minus b square. Okay. So we can write a plus b into a minus b. 2x as it is. Here the square root of x square is x plus the square root of 9 is 3 and the square root of y square is y, x plus 3y and x minus 3y. Using a plus b into a minus b, we got this. So this is your answer. Okay. Now sketching graph. The graph of a cubic function has 2 turning points. When x less than 0 and x greater than 4, the gradient of the graph is positive. Okay. Now when x greater than 0 and less than 4, the gradient of the graph is negative. So between 0 and 4, the gradient is negative. The graph passes through the origin. Okay. So the graph must pass through the origin. Okay. Sketch the graph. Now as you must know that cubic graph we get a curve like this. So start from here, it goes this way, origin, then come bring down, goes like this. Now 4 here. Why? Because between 0 and 4 you can observe here this line, this part it has negative gradient. Other two parts of the graph have positive. More than 4 then positive, less than 0 then positive. So condition satisfies here. So this is the graph. This is how you are supposed to sketch. Now we have to, on the diagram, sketch the graph of y equal to cos x for x greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 360. So if you find some points, we know that cos 0, 1, cos 90 is equal to 0, cos 180 is equal to -1, cos 270 equal to 0, and cos 360 is equal to 1. So these points are important to know to plot this. Easily you can find from the calculator. So 180, where to show 180 should be exactly in the middle between 0 and 360. So this is what your 180. Okay. And 90 should be between 0 and 180. 90 is here. And 270 will be between 180 and 360. 270. Okay. Now let us put the point 0, then this is the point 90, then this is the point. Cos 180 is -1, so -1 means it's here. Next 270 is 0, so point is here, and 361, so point is there. Now we know the shape of the graph, so we just join the points freehand. Then come down, like this. So here, so this is the graph for y equal to cos x. Now solve the equation cos x equal to -half. Cos x equal to -half. So x equal to cos inverse -1/2. And if we put in the calculator, calculator gives us 120 degree. So your one answer is here 120 degree. Now easily you can see here for -half is the line here. Let me correct this here. Okay. These points are symmetrical. We have 2 points. This is one solution. This is the other solution. This point you got 120. If you notice here 0 to 120. This is the gap. So 360, it will be the same distance. So we are coming back 120. So answer here is 240 degree. So 240 degree is the other answer. This is for minus half, right? So minus half is at this point and at this point. So 120 degree and 240 degree. Okay, next part. Question number 23. Y is inversely proportional to root x and x is directly proportional to w square. When w is equal to 12, y equal to 12, find y in terms of w. So if you see the question here, let us write for one part at a time. So y is inversely proportional to root x. So we can write here y equal to, as it is inversely proportional, so it will be k1, constant k1 divided by root x. Okay. Now, second part, x is directly proportional to w square. So x equal to k2 into w square. Okay. Now, what we can do? Let us write, put the value of x. So y equal to k1 divided by root x. Root x means root under k2 w square, right? So if you simplify this, this gives us k1 divided by root k2 and w square. Both are constants, so we can write a single constant, that will be k by w square. Okay, k1 and root k2 both together will give a constant. So combining this, we got another constant, that is k, and w square is in the denominator, so w square will be in the denominator. What we got actually? We got y equal to k by w square. Now values are given, w and y. Let's substitute. So what we have? Sorry, I made a mistake here. W square, when we took out of the square root, we get w. So it will be just w, not w square. Okay. So k equal to, we can get y into w, that is 12 into 12, that is 144. Therefore, y equal to 144 by w. K value we just substitute there, w as it is. So your answer is 144 divided by. Now we have a question from upper bound, lower bound. Violet and Wilfred recorded their times to run 200 meter correct to the nearest second. Violet took 36 seconds and Wilfred took 39 seconds. Work out the upper bound of the difference between their times. So we have 36 seconds and 39 seconds. And it is correct to the nearest second. So nearest second means 1 divided by 2, that is 0.5. So we need to find the lower bound, we will subtract 0.5. So this gives us 35.5. And upper bound will be 36.5. Similarly, for 39 we get 38.5 and 39.5. Now we have to find the upper bound of the difference. So we will take upper bound of the bigger number and lower bound of the smaller number. Okay. So difference upper bound will be 39.5 minus 35.5, and that is 4. So answer is 4 seconds. Now the last question, question number 25. A bag contains 5 red balls, 4 blue balls and 3 green balls. Megan picks a ball at random. Write down the probability that the ball is red or blue. Red or blue. So for red, how many are there? 5. So 5 out of 12, because 5 plus 4 plus 3, that is 12. So total balls are 12. So for red it will be 5 by 12. Okay. Now so we need to add the blue. There are 4 blue. So 4 by 12. So 9 by 12, and that gives us 3 by 4. So answer is 3 by 4. Okay. Now part 2. Megan replaces the ball. She picks a ball at random, notes the color and replaces the ball. She repeats this 60 times. Calculate the number of times the ball is expected to be red or blue. We have already calculated probability for red or blue. So we'll multiply 3 by 4 with 60. So that gives us 45. So here will be 45. Now, Nick picks 2 of the 12 balls at random without replacement. You have to be very careful. Without replacement. Okay. Calculate the probability that the balls are different colors. So different colors means it can be red, blue. It can be red, green. It can be blue, green. Now this red, blue can be blue, red also. Red, green can be green, red also. And blue, green can be green, blue also. So whatever answer we will be getting, we need to multiply by 2. So let's write the probability. For red, it will be 5 by 12. And there are 4 blue, but total has reduced by 1, that is 11. And this is for red, blue, and blue, red also it will be same. So we need to multiply by 2. Okay. Now for red, green. So we write here 5 by 12. Green, there are 3. So 3 by 11. And we need to again multiply by 2 because red, green and green, red, both cases are there. Now blue, green. So blue, green means 4 by 12 into 3 by 11 into 2. So we need to calculate this 3 and add. So that can be written as probability equal to 5 by 12 into 4 by 11 plus 5 by 12 into 3 by 11 plus 4 by 12 into 3 by 11, and what answer you get, need to multiply by 2, and that gives us 47 by 66. So answer is 47 by 66. Okay, now part C. Mary picks balls at random without replacement from the 12 balls. When she picks a green ball, she stops. The probability that she picks a green ball on peak n is 21 by 220. Find the value of n. Means when you calculate the probability according to this condition, that should come 21 divided by 220. So suppose first time she did not get. So it says Mary picks balls at random without replacement from the 12 balls. When she picks a green ball, she stops. Right? So if she picks the first time green, she will stop. So suppose first time she did not pick the green ball. So she did not pick the green ball. That means she picked either blue or red. And their number is 9. That means 9 by 12. And suppose in the second time she picked up the green ball. So that is 3 by 11. Without replacement, so numerator has changed. Now, if we multiply this, we can check that this is not giving us 21 by 220. So this cannot be the answer. This will not give us the value of n. Now let's try 9 by 12. Suppose second time it becomes 8 by 11 and then 3 by 10. So this will reduce. So this also is not giving us 21 by 220. This answer should be 21 by 220, and that will give us the value of n, which peak. Now if you try with another one, so 9 by 12 into 8 by 11 into 3 by 10, sorry, 7 by 10, rewrite 7 by 10 into 3 by 9. This is the fourth peak. Means in the fourth peak she got a green. So if we multiply out this is also not giving us 21 by 220. But let's try the next one then. 9 by 12 into 8 by 11 into 7 by 10 into 6 by 9 into 3 by 8. Now if we multiply this all, this is giving us 21 by 220. Easily you can check with the calculator. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the fifth position 3 by 8. That means n equal to 5. So this is the answer for this question. Okay. So we completed this paper. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and comment on the video. And if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Keep watching MathWiz.